After much anticipation and speculation, Huawei has quietly released the Huawei Mate 60 Pro smartphone in China. Boasting top-of-the-line features, this phone has a distinctive circular camera module on the back and is available in 4 stunning color options: green, silver, purple, and black. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro comes equipped with a 6.82-inch Full HD Plus OLED LTPO display that offers an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, along with 1440 Hz PWM dimming. To protect the device, Huawei has used its unbreakable Kunlun glass. One of the standout features of the Mate 60 Pro is its triple rear camera setup. It comprises a 50-megapixel primary sensor with OIS capability, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 48-megapixel telephoto OIS lens that supports up to 3.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. The rear camera also features variable aperture and supports a wide range of photography modes, such as Super Mag mode, Super Macro, and Pro mode. On the front, users will find a 13-megapixel camera with HDR support for selfies and video calls. Powering the Mate 60 Pro is a generous 5,000 mAh battery that supports fast wired charging at up to 88 watt, wireless charging at 50 watt, and reverse wireless charging at 20 watt. This smartphone is also IP68 rated, meaning it is water-resistant up to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and dust-proof without the need for additional protective cases. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro runs on the latest HarmonyOS 4.0 operating system, which offers improved features such as 3D face recognition, AI-based camera intelligence, and advanced photo processing software. Additionally, it supports AI remote wireless payments and an always-on display. Huawei's Pangu 3.0 AI model is incorporated to enhance the overall user experience. The Huawei Mate 60 Pro is also notable for being the company's first smartphone to support satellite connectivity. In terms of connectivity options, it includes USB 3.1 Gen 1, Wi-Fi 5/Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS. Currently, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro is available in China through Huawei's Mall store, the pricing varying depending on the storage options. The 12GB RAM variant with 512GB of storage is priced at 6,999 yuan or approximately $960. With its impressive features, innovative design, and refined software, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro is poised to make a significant impact in the smartphone market. What do you think about the Mate 60 Pro? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.